In this video, I will show you how to fix apps that keep crashing after Android 17 update. First, open Settings. Now scroll and find Apps, then tap on it. A list of all the applications installed on your device will be shown. Now select the app that is crashing. If the Facebook app is crashing, then tap on Facebook. Now tap on the option of Storage. Here tap on Clear Cache. You can also tap on Clear Data, but you will have to sign into your account again. Do this for all the application that is crashing. Next, restart your phone. Press and hold the power button, then tap on the restart option. Now wait for some time. After restart, the temporary glitches that may have appeared after the update will be fixed. If the problem continues, check your available storage. For that, go to Settings, go to Device Care, then tap on Storage. Make sure you have enough free space. Low storage can cause apps to freeze or crash unexpectedly. Delete unnecessary photos, videos, large files, or apps that you no longer use, and don't forget to empty your trash or recycle bin. After that, try reinstalling the affected app. If Facebook is causing trouble, then you want to tap and hold on it, then tap on the uninstall option. Now open Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar. Here, type the name of the application that you just uninstalled and then install it again. If the issue still isn't resolved, you may need to wait for a system update from your device manufacturer, as some app crashes are caused by bugs in the Android update itself. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.